Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. What if I told you that you could make $3 for every 1,000 views that you get on TikTok or YouTube Shorts without needing 1,000 subscribers and without even showing your face? Welcome to Vyro, the new clipping marketplace backed by Mr. Beast, okay? You have probably seen these clipping accounts everywhere. People reposting funny moments from podcasts or streams. Usually they make $0 until they hit huge follower milestones, okay? However, Vyro changes that. It connects you directly with creators like Mr. Beast, Mark Rober, and massive brands who want you to clip their contents. They pay you a flat, basically cost per minute, okay? Reportedly up to $3 per 1,000 views, starting for your very first view. So in this video, I'm actually going to walk you through this entire process, how you can sign up, how to find the highest paying campaigns, and the exact editing workflows to get your clips approved. I'm also going to give you my honest review at the end. And also guys, remember that you have a link for Vyro in the description, okay? So please check that out and just sign in. First of all, guys, the process is extremely simple because they're looking now for as many editors as possible. So you basically have to just make your profile, and stuff like that, okay? Like setting your interests, your bio, and things. If you are already posting clips, I recommend you connect to your Instagram or YouTube because this is going to allow you to basically grab your stats and, stand out as a top clipper, as a top editor, okay? But for now, I'm just going to skip this. Okay guys, so this is the dashboard. As you can see, it's actually pretty simple. You have your active campaigns, which is the most important stuff. Okay, this is gonna allow you to select the projects and to start clipping. You have your stats, which in my case is 0. Okay, but most importantly guys, what we have to do before anything is to set up our payment methods. Okay, this is critical. Before you edit a single frame, just go to your profile settings, as I'm gonna do in here. I'm gonna go to settings. And I'm gonna go to payout methods to set up my Stripe or PayPal account. Okay, this is gonna be supported. Crypto I think is also gonna be supported in some regions. But yeah, so just click on connect an account and do this first. Before you do this, you're gonna have a balance of about $0. So let's just go with our first project and start making money. So guys, unlike YouTube, which pays monthly, Vyro often processes payouts hourly or daily once your views are verified. That speed is a game changer. Okay, let's now talk about the campaigns, okay? This is where most people fail actually. They just pick the first video that they see or the first campaign that they see, so don't do that, okay? Let's look at these, 4 campaigns in here. I only have 4 available at the moment, but I'm gonna unlock more as I earn credibility and, stats as an editor, okay? So guys, in order to select what campaign I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to look at different statistics, okay? I'm gonna analyze 3 things primarily. First of all, I'm just gonna click in here, this one from Mr. Beast, as you can see. And the first thing that I'm gonna take a look at is the rate, okay? The cost per 1,000 or the pay per 1,000. Most start at roughly, $3 basically per 1,000 views. Some brand campaigns might offer more or offer bonuses for hitting viral milestones, okay? Like for example, 1,000,000 views. Do not confuse these numbers with these numbers in here because this is, the cost or the payout for 1,000,000 views, okay? 1,000,000 views. And this is, however, the payout for 1,000 views, okay? So, I would actually look at this because it gives you like a more realistic offer because you're gonna be earning, in the first videos like, basically thousands of views, not millions. So yeah, you gotta look at the payout basically. Also guys, the second thing you have to take a look at is the budget pool. You see this, 67.93% payout here, or this one here, or maybe like this one here. This is called the budget pool, okay? It's the remaining budget basically. This is gonna tell you, that a campaign, for example, has like a $50 thousand budget and it's 90% full. Don't waste your time on it, for example, because chances are that the money might run out before your video goes viral, okay? So look for fresh campaigns with full budgets, okay? So for example, I'm gonna go for this one because it's almost full, it's 90% almost. This one is 70. Okay, maybe I can go for it, but not so safe. And this one I definitely couldn't go for it because it's 98. So this is almost like paid completely. So I could probably go for this one based on that. And now guys, the third thing is actually the rules, okay? Read this strictly, okay? This is in the details. You have a lot of the rules that you have to follow, and you have to do this strictly, okay? Because some creators ban specific types of edits, or they require you to use specific hashtags or, Vyro, like V's gaming, for example, or something like that. So if you miss a hashtag, you get paid exactly $0, okay? As you can see in here, it's saying what to include, but here in the description as well, okay? So you kind of have to read everything, okay? And make sure that you're very strict with this. Now guys, you need to make this clip, okay? And you have two different options. You can use the manual way, which is the pro way, which means that you're gonna have to come to content to use. This is always gonna be present in the campaigns to use, okay? And you're gonna have to click in here, and that's gonna open this kind of folder with the different files, different videos, different, assets basically. And just download everything pretty much provided in this campaign, which is this one here, all of this pretty much, okay? Now you're gonna have to drag this into CapCut or Premiere, and you're gonna have to find manually, I'm saying, a 30 to 60 seconds hook, a funny joke, a crazy stand, or a high stakes moment that you think is gonna do well, okay? And then you basically have to add bold, colorful captions in the center, okay? This is gonna give you the highest quality control, but of course it's gonna take you a lot of time, okay? Or you have the speed way, which is using AI tools such as Opus clipping here, okay? You basically paste the YouTube link, or you basically upload the file, okay? And it automatically finds the viral moments for you. We have tutorials on Opus clips, so you can just watch them, okay? Just pick the best one, clean up the caption, and export. In any case, you always need to follow the rules in terms of the assets that you must use. For example, in here it says include Ring, Brandon, logo, and pros in your content, so I'm always gonna make sure to do that in my videos, okay? In any case, I'm just gonna click on Join Campaign for the first second, and yeah, that's it. Now guys, here's the part that people get confused about. You do not upload the video to Vyro directly. There's no button to do that in here, okay? What you have to do instead is, once you edit the video, you have to post it to your account. So you basically upload a clip to your own TikTok, Instagram Reel, or YouTube Shorts account. Then you're gonna have to optimize, meaning you're gonna have to use like a viral hook in the captions, and they require hashtags, and so on and so on. And just finally, you're gonna have to submit the link. That's why we are in the add clip section. So you're gonna click on add, submit post, and you're gonna paste the link. Okay, as you can see, this is a TikTok post. Now guys, the API is gonna attach that post, and it's gonna count the views in real time. So you can see those stats, maybe increasing here. So guys, here's my 2026 review, okay? The pros is that you have no followers needed in here, okay? So you can start earning immediately. You also have a high CPM because, $3 per 1,000 views is insanely high for shorts these days, okay? And the only downsides is that, you have your budget cap, so, as the platform grows, the easy campaigns is gonna fill up fast, so you have to be quick. And also the high competition, okay? Because these campaigns are gonna fill up quickly, the ones that are paying the most money. So guys, I think this is an excellent option if you're looking for, maybe growing your channel without the risk of making your own content, or looking for a kind of side hustle, okay? This is a great opportunity for you. And I have linked the sign up page below. So if you want to try, just comment down below how much you made on your first clip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tutorials, okay? Thank you so much.